Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Honda Jazz SE. Now, walking around the car, you do get full LED headlights. You also get these 15-inch steel wheels with the wheel trims, as you can see just there. Walking around the car, I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition each wheel trim is actually in. But walking around to the rear now, as you notice, it is the 22 year model. In the back of the car, we've got plenty of room in here. We've also got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor. Just showing you the rear wheel just here. As you can see, we've got the cloth grey with the black accent on the outer edge of the base just there, with full ISOFIX mounting points across the rear. We've got electric windows all round, only the driver's is automatic. We've then got your electric handbrake with brake hold, and then your economy button just there. We've then got your eCVT gearbox just here with your climate control in the middle, and your stereo in the middle is just here. This comes with all your various sources, as you can see just there. We've got full Bluetooth connectivity, so Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio, everything is built within the screen. We've then got additional storage just here on the passenger side, along with a multifunction steering wheel in the middle. On the left-hand side, we've got your audio controls, as you can see, along with your onboard computer controls. Your Bluetooth hands-free is just below, and your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist, and distance control is on the right. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 7,342 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Honda Jazz, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.